Hello children, good morning. So today I am going to teach you English grammar again. In our last class we started the topic of verbs. What are verbs? So quickly we'll revise what are verbs again. So verbs are the action words or the doing words. Now I am going to show you few examples of verbs. Now you can see on this sheet so many verbs are given. All these verbs are the actions. In last class also I told you whatever the action we do, those are the verbs. Now you can see or you can identify with the pictures these verbs. So quickly read one by one. Run, clean, dance, walk, cry, crawl, fight, laugh, ride, listen, read, write, think, cook, climb, drink. So all these are the action words and these are also called the verbs. Now I think children, verbs are clear to you. Okay children, now all of you open your English grammar books and you have to open page number 20. In our previous class we had done question number A and B. Okay, so today we'll start with question number C. So write down today's date here on the top. So let's read the question quickly. Who can do what? Tick the correct boxes. Now you can see here in this orange box few verbs. आपको दिख रहे हैं verbs? Now see, eat, cook, drive, sleep, fly. So these are the verbs. And now here you can see the names of some person or animals. So these person can perform what kind of actions? So we have to tick according to this. Now see the first one. It has been already done in the book. First one is grandma. Grandma can eat. Yes. Grandma can cook. Yes. Grandma can drink. Yes. Next is grandma can sleep. This is also yes. And grandma can fly. No. So we'll not write or tick anything in this box. Now in the same way, the second one. Second is Papa. So Papa can eat. Give me the answer. Yes, Papa can eat. Papa can cook. Papa can cook. Yes, Papa can cook also. Papa can drive. Yes. Papa can sleep. Yes. And Papa can fly. No. So we'll leave this box again. Now come to the next one. A baby. A baby can eat. Yes. A baby can cook. No. A baby can't cook. A baby can drive. No. A baby can't drive. A baby can sleep. Yes. A baby can sleep. And a baby can fly. No. Okay. Now children, see the next one. Next is I. I means about yourself. आपको अपने बारे में बताना है. I can eat. Yes. I can cook. Can you cook? If you can't, so leave this column. Can you drive? No. Can you sleep? Yes. So we'll put a tick mark in this. Can you fly? No. So I means about yourself. आपको अपने बारे में इसमें कॉलम में फिल करेंगे. Now next is a cat. A cat can eat. Yes. A cat can cook. No. A cat can drive. No. A cat can sleep. Yes. So we'll put a tick mark. A cat can fly. No. Now the last one. A bird. A bird can eat. Yes. A bird can cook. No. A bird can drive. No. A bird can sleep. Yes. And a bird can fly. Yes. So we'll put a tick mark in this column. So in this way you have to do question number C in your grammar books. Now children, we'll do question number D also. Now see this. Fill in the blanks with verbs. Now all of you, I think, understood about what are verbs. Choose from the box. Now you can see in this help box so many verbs. Okay, so you have to fit or write these words according to the sentences. Got it? So let's start. First one, this one is already done in your book. So we'll read. We dash on a bench. Now after reading this portion, easily you can identify which verb will come here. Like we dash on a bench. Bench पे हम क्या करते हैं? We sit on a bench. Now see the next one. She dash with her hands. Now when we look at this help box, we dash with her hands. She dash with her hands. वो अपने hands से. She is used for the girl. Girl क्या कर रही है? Girl read करती है hands से. No. Write can come, but sit will not come. Sleep, eat, these two things will not come. Now see the next one. Clap can come, or drinks and wash, it will not come. So now we are confused between write and claps. Okay, so now how will we identify? Now see, read the sentence again. She dash with her hands. Hands yani she is using both the hands. So what we do with both the hands? Clap. Okay, not write at the same time. So we'll write the answer here. Clap. C-L-A-P-S. Claps. Because she is a singular, so when we write the verb, it should be with S. Got it? Now see the next one. We dash with the pencil. So what we do with the pencil? We write with the pencil. Yes, very good. So we write with the pencil. Next is Sonu dash milk. Milk को क्या करते हैं हम? What we do? We see the options. We drinks milk. Yes. So what we'll write here? Drinks. Next one is number 5 is Roma dash with a spoon. So with a spoon, what Roma dash with the spoon? She eats with the spoon. So automatically you can fill all these verbs according to the sentences. With the spoon. Spoon से क्या करेगी Roma? She eats with the spoon. Next is now see the 6th one. I dash on a bed. So what we do on a bed? See the options again. I sleep. So I sleep I sleep on a bed. Next is number 7 is Fazil dash books. Fazil, see the picture. What Fazil is doing? Fazil dash books. Books को हम क्या करते हैं now? Which verbs are left? See those. So Fazil reads book. R-E-A-D-S. Reads book. And now the last one is you dash clothes to clean them. So you, what we do clothes to clean them? We wash clothes to clean them. So done. Isn't it interesting? Okay. So now now children, you have to do question number E in homework in your book only. Thank you.